Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy October. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing Unicoeye. Kind of sounds like unicorn eye. With it being October, I know that I'm going to be doing a lot of special effects and body painting and things of that nature. So I was looking for contact lens, and luckily I had this company reach out to me. I decided to collaborate with them to bring you this video and show you guys different contact lenses that they have. They allowed me to choose up to 5 contact lenses. Right now they do have a sale going on their website. When you choose 5 contact lenses, you get 5 for free. So I think that's such a good deal. I also have a discount code for you guys. You guys can use code Tracey at checkout, and that gives you 20% off of your purchase. It also does make me commission based off of you using my code, so I really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for supporting me in what I do here. With that being said, I want to show you guys the 5 contact lenses that I chose, and let's just go ahead and jump right into this video.
I'm back. Boo.
This is the packaging that my contact lenses arrives in, and I did order 5, so I got this size of a box. And I'm realizing that on the box it says Unicoeye for the website. It's actually Unicoeyes with an S at the end. I'm also showing you guys here the color of my natural eyes. I have brown eyes, but they have like a hint of red to them. So yeah, this is just so you guys get an idea of what the contact lenses look on brown eyes. These first pair of contact lenses that I'm trying on are called Cherry Ocean. And from what I seen on the website, they had a hint of yellow towards the iris of the eye, and then the surrounding was like a light blue. It did not appear like I expected them to, but regardless, they're still very pretty, and I really like them, so I'm excited to use them. From a distance, you can't really tell that my eyes are brown. If you do take a close-up look, you can definitely see the brownish around the pupil of my eye. And then this is what they look like inside of the container. As you can see, you can definitely see that it does have some yellow surrounding the pupil, and then the exterior is like a light blue. Moving on to these next contact lenses. These here are Polar Lights Yellow Green, and honestly, they're just like a really soft honey color. You can hardly see the difference, so here I'm showing you guys a close-up so you guys can get a better feel of what they look like. From a distance, it's very difficult to tell that I have contact lenses on unless I'm doing like close-up eye looks. So you guys know that I do those often. And here's what they look like in the little container. They're very light, so hardly noticeable on the eyes. I think they'd look a lot prettier on somebody that has lighter eyes. These third contact lenses are called Polar Lights Brown. And these are almost similar to the previous ones I tried on. Not in the picture though. The picture on the website did not look anything like they are looking on me right now. But I'm fine with them. I just don't see a major difference. I like how they look with my eyes because they look a little bit more on the natural side since my eyes are already brown. This just kind of lightens them up a bit. And they look a little bit of a deep hazel type of color. So I'm definitely going to be enjoying these here. This here is what they look like inside of the container. You can definitely see the difference in color from the other one. These look very light brown. The other ones were a little bit more on the clear side. The fourth contact lenses, I went with Cosplay Red. I really wanted to get these contact lenses for Halloween. I'm definitely going to be incorporating these into a lot of my Halloween looks, so just make sure that you stick around. These are just some badass contact lenses, and I was really excited to get my hands on these. I feel like I'm part of the Twilight cast. In the contact lens case, they do look a lot brighter of a red, but they're not that bright. They look a little bit toned down on my eyes. And then the next and last contact lenses are called Cosplay Yellow, and these here are just... Okay, both of the cosplay ones were just my favorite because of how bold they are. These definitely look like they do on the website, so I'm very pleased with these cosplay contact lenses. And these really said Avatar to me. So I'm hoping to do an Avatar look for Halloween this year. And then this is how they look inside of the contact lens case. Very dramatic and very true to color as they appear on the eyes. And those are the 5 contact lenses that I picked out. The only thing that I did not like about the contact lens, mostly with the first one, which was the Cherry Ocean, I believe that's what it's called, the blue ones. I didn't like how they were very big around the iris of the eye. It just made them look very unnatural, and I wasn't fond of it, but for video purposes, I really like them, and I think they're very pretty. They just don't look natural whatsoever. I really love my new cosplay contact lenses. I think I'm going to do some very badass looks with that. So I hope you guys are prepared. Make sure that you do turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!